Hey Dutch crew, welcome back to the channel. We're into October now, so there's only one food we're really going to be cooking, and that's food for Oktoberfest. So today we're going to be making Schweinhaxe with a warm potato salad. We're going to be cooking this on the Hellrazr Nomada. So come on, let's cook. This is our Schweinhaxe, roughly translated. Schwein is pig, haxe is ox. To our Dutch oven we're going to add 1 carrot that's been sliced, 1 sliced onion, 1 tablespoon of black peppercorns, 2 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of caraway seeds, and 1 teaspoon of salt. We're going to drop our Schweinhaxe into the pot, and now we're going to add some beer. This is a dark beer. You can use any dark beer you want. I'm going to add 2 bottles to this. The second bottle, and if it's not enough to cover it, just top it up with some water. We're going to pop the lid on, and we're going to get this on the Hellrazr Nomada. We've got a good bed of charcoals already lit on this. We're going to drop this on, and we're going to let this simmer for about 2 hours. While that's cooking away, we're going to make an authentic German potato salad. I've got 2 potatoes here that I've just cubed up. We're going to put them on to boil. We're going to put a little skillet on, get that warmed up, and we're going to give it a dash of olive oil. When it's warmed up, we've got 6 rashers of streaky bacon that we've cut up. And we're going to fry this off until it's nice and crispy. So a quick look round the outdoor kitchen. These are all our herbs and spices, and our bacon's cooking away lovely. And that's what we're looking for, nice crisp bacon. We'll get this off the heat, and we'll get the bacon out of the pan. Pan back on with all that bacon grease, and we're going to add 1 white onion. We're going to soften this onion off, and it's going to pick up all this lovely bacon grease. Now we're going to add 100ml of beef stock, about half a cup, 3 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of mustard, something like Dijon or a German mustard. You could go whole grain mustard if you wanted to. Half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and a pinch of salt. Give it a good mix in, and then we're going to let this cook out for about 10 minutes. Our potatoes are softened, so we're going to take them off and drain them. And the Schweinhaxe has had 2 hours, so we're going to remove that. Take it out of the pot and get it onto a board. I'm just going to drain all the juices off, pat it dry. I'm going to take a sharp knife and just put a diamond crisscross pattern onto the skin. We only want to cut through the skin, not through the meat. Then we're going to take our meat hangers, place them in so it just holds the meat nicely. Just getting them in so it's not hitting the bone and it holds the meat. Right, Oh, we'll go for that. Back to the Nomada. And we're going to hand this Schweinhaxe up. Start to get this skin nice and crispy. We're going to have to keep coming back, turning the Schweinhaxe, repositioning it on the hooks until all the skin is crisped up nice, golden brown. If you'd like to become a Dutch crew member, it's free. Just click the subscribe button below. So this is done. Listen to the crispiness of that. We've served it with our warm potato salad. And that is gorgeous. We'll just cut some of the meat off now and have a taste of that. It's nice, succulent, still got a lot of moisture left in it. That tastes amazing. The card here on the left was chosen especially for you.